who's about to pay that much for that? No, not me. Welcome back. If you're not, I'm G, and today I am showing you the things that I got from the Fendi X Skims collaboration. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys these items. So I really did not go crazy because some of their prices were like a little up there. I do understand Fendi is a fashion house. Like, I understand that their prices, whatever. I understand that. And Skims, they are more on the higher to mid-range. So, I mean, I didn't expect it to be super cheap, but okay, I'm rambling. I got two pieces. Wait, before I start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate it. And I'm doing a nice giveaway when I get there. So, yes. So, let's start. So, I did get, like I said, two pieces from the collection. The packaging is so pretty. This is my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. I just love this. Like, this is just... I'm going to keep these boxes. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I'm definitely going to keep them. So in love with the packaging. So it came wrapped. Is this upside down? And this, what is this purple? I would say it's like pink purple. And this wrapping paper with this sticker, the double F and the Skims logo. So I did open these. I'm not even going to act like I didn't, but I didn't rip the packaging. So I'll just slip it out. And this collection came out last week. What was the date? I'll have it inserted somewhere here. But yeah, it came out, and I initially, because I knew that I wanted to get something from the collection, I love Skims. Like, I have so many Skims items. Their bodysuit, their underwears, their bras, the loungewears, pajamas, everything is just top tier. I love it. It's comfortable. So I am an avid Skims wearer. So I definitely knew I wanted to get something from this collection, and I do like luxury items, so Fendi and Skims just made sense to me in my brain, so I know I wanted to grab something. So I initially had got in touch with a personal shopper because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to snag the items that I wanted, and I know I really wanted it. So I got in touch with a personal shopper, and my experience was not the best. I mean, they were very late with responding back and forth to me. And like our last messages was on the day of the launch, and I still didn't have the item. Like, I didn't purchase it. I didn't put a down payment, or I said a down payment. I didn't put a deposit or anything. So I was just like, I'm just going to try my luck and do it on my own. And I did. And that's how I scored these items. So I did get these on launch day from the Fendi Skims website. Yeah, I got on there. I think it launched at 9 a.m. I got on there at 8:50. I just browsed around and stayed on the website for 10 minutes. I know it's a thing, but this is not the only type of, like, sneakers, Yeezys, stuff like that. Like, that's the type of thing you have to do to get those items on launch day. So I did get on the website about a few minutes early and just kept refreshing and refreshing. And once, I want to say maybe 8:58 hit, it was live. So it didn't even go live at 9 on the dot. It was live a little bit earlier. So that's how I snagged these items. So without further ado, let me show you what I got. So I did manage to snag two of the bodysuits. The other items really didn't interest me, to be honest, and not even about the price point. They just didn't interest me. There was one like two-piece set that I really did want, but child, it was the leggings and the crop top, and I think it was in the chenille fabric. The leggings were like $11.50, and the top was like $9.50. Who's about to pay that much for that? No, not me. If I wanted a Fendi crop top and tights, I would go get a Fendi crop top. I don't know, it didn't make sense to me. So I do wear bodysuits all of the time. Like, literally when I'm going out, 90% of the time it's a bodysuit and a bottom, like a jean, leather pants, a skirt. Bodysuits are my thing. It's like my uniform, and I love the Skims bodysuit, so I knew that I had to grab these. So I did get the mock neck, what is it called? Mock neck long sleeve bodysuit in the color California. So it is this brown and tan with the Fendi Zucca print, the Fendi words, and the Skims logo. I love this. This is so cute. And it is a thong back, like I said, it's a mock neck, so yes. And I just love this. The fabric is wonderful. So I knew that I was going to get good quality, so that's why I really wasn't like tripping off the price. And how much was this? I think this was $175. So this retailed for $175. It is so like, it sucks you in so good, and it looks kind of big, so I got a small, and I was thinking like maybe this is too big. When I put it on, it fits perfect. Like, it's so good. The material, like I said, is just so good. It's not see-through at all. Like, it's fully, you cannot see anything. So I am very pleased with this. I love this. I did want to get the black. That was my intention, was to get the black long sleeve bodysuit, but when I got on there at $8.58, that was sold out. That was the only thing that was sold out, to be honest. Everything else was there, so I had a lot to choose from. So I did end up going with this, and I am not mad. I cannot wait to wear this fall and winter. This is gonna be so cute. It's the perfect color. I just love this. I really. And then I got another bodysuit, but I ended up going with the high neck bodysuits, and it is no sleeves, and I got it in black. So this is it right here. Now these bodysuits, this is my uniform. Like, I don't have a lot of long sleeve bodysuits, but these like sleeveless racer back ones, I have so many colors of these. I get them from Zara. I have one from Skims. I really love this. So I just knew what worked for me. Like, I wasn't just going on there just buying stuff just to buy. Like, I knew what I would wear and what type of styles that I like, so I went with what I know. Like, I didn't venture off and get random stuff. Like, I'm gonna wear these. I know I like this type of stuff, so yeah. So this is the bodysuit. It's another thong bodysuit, and it is black, and it has the Fendi Zuka print, Fendi logo, and the Skims logo, just like the other bodysuit, but it's kind of smaller. So yes, I'm gonna get so much use out of this. Like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I was able to snag these. This retailed for $130. So this retailed for $130. Yeah, I'm not even going to talk about the price because, I mean, what did you expect? Like, I knew I wasn't about to pay $20. Like, it is what it is. So I did grab these two. I did not get anything else. Like I said, there really wasn't nothing that I wanted. I was toying with the idea of getting the cosmetic pouches, but I don't know. I just was like, I don't really need this. Like, this would just be like a stupid buy, like just something to get. So I was already satisfied with what I got, so I was like, let me just behave myself. So like I said, I just got these two. I cannot wait to wear them. And a lot of people have been saying some things about this collection, good and bad, and I mean, to each his own. If you're into that type of stuff, then like, you get it, and if you're not into it, then you just don't. Like, I don't see a lot of negative things, like, oh, it's going to be out, it's going to age bad, but to me, it's a limited edition capsule collection. I mean, what is a limited edition? Like, it's some things that you're just not going to see again. So I'd rather have a piece of it, especially since I like Fendi, I like Skims. Like, why not? Like, it just made sense to me. If you do want to get these, I think they are going to restock for a limited quantity. I don't know when, and I don't even know if they really are, but if you go on the website, you can sign up for a wait list. To be honest, I don't think they're going to bring it back. And if they do, like I said, I think it's going to be very limited quantities, because I think they did want to keep this exclusive. So yeah, if you are interested, you can try to sign up. It may come back, it may not, I don't know, but you could try your hand. But yeah, these are the pieces that I got, and I cannot wait to wear them. I just wanted to show you guys really quick so you can see how they look on me. And if you were interested, if they were really bringing them back, then you can try to see if you can snag them. But to me, I'm going to say it's worth it. Like I said, I knew what I was getting into. I didn't expect it to be $20, and I knew that the quality was going to be there. Like I said, this is like some very good contour type of material. What is it made out of? Polyamide and elastane. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what those fabrics are, but it is like really good. It'll suck you in, like definitely give you some shape. I do recommend Skims in general, like their bodysuits, their shapewear is really like the truth. Like, there's no gimmick there. It really is the truth. Kim was onto something when she created that. So if you cannot get these, I would definitely recommend trying out the regular Skims bodysuits. Like, they are very comparable. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, Let me know down below. Like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am going to do a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers, so you don't want to miss that. So I'll see you in the next video.